Bajaj, innovative farm-to-table engineering.
The process begins with empty bottles being loaded onto the conveyor belt. Then the bottles enter the rinsing station, where they are thoroughly cleaned to ensure hygiene and remove any dust or particles. Here, purified water is filled into each bottle with precision and consistency, ensuring the correct quantity in every unit. After filling, the bottles are automatically capped using high-speed capping machines. This seals the bottles tightly to maintain freshness and avoid contamination. In the labeling unit, each bottle receives a label with brand details, manufacturing date, and other important information. Labels are applied accurately and quickly. Next, the bottles move into the shrink collating machine, where they're grouped and tightly wrapped in heat shrink film, forming neatly packed units ready for dispatch.